Hello, here I am again. I'm going to teach you how to make a Bukkit server the easy way. I know it has been taken down, it's pretty late to make one now. But in case you still want to, now you can. Without any Java experience. Have you ever tirelessly read all those tutorials about how to get it working on Windows? I did. I never managed to do it right. So it was like a blessing when I found this program. Iridium Server Manager. It downloads, installs and creates a working startup script for Bukkit. What you want to do is go to a location where you want your server to be. For me that's on another hard drive, folder servers and tutorial. Here is the place where all the server shit is coming. Here I'm going to install my server. I will download Iridium Server Manager and drop it inside the folder where I want my server to be, which is here at the tutorial. We save it, wait for it to complete, and we hit it. If this is your first time running this program, it probably is, you will encounter several errors now, because you need Microsoft.NET Framework 4.0 and Visual Basic Power Packs. You can, however, download the prerequisite installer. Not saying that it is a bad program, just saying that it never worked for me. So we're going to do it the manual way. Here we can download Microsoft.NET Framework 4 and here the Visual Basic Power Packs, both in English. Okay, so we download this and this. I already have all this, so I don't really need to do it again. Next, accept all licenses. If it asks to reboot, just reboot, have fun. And when you're done rebooting, just come back. Okay, now all of this is installed. We are hitting the program again. And it will keep popping up worthless errors that you will just have to ignore, and then it will come. Okay. This is to start the server, save the server, reload the server. I'm running this program from here. Normally, before Bukkit was taken down, you were supposed to download here your Bukkit build. That's not gonna work anymore. So I'm using my own, which is here. And I'm hitting start. It says no startup script is present. So it makes one. That's absolutely the most lovely thing about it, if you ask me. Okay, now we have a fully functional start.bat, right? Not exactly. Normally this area is blank and this is set to 1. Normally, by default, it looks like this. If you, whether you are using a 32 OS or a 64 OS, the best thing to do is to go directly to Java. Okay, assume that you are on a 64-bit machine. You can add as many memory as you have. Well, not literally. I can't go over 10 gigabytes. Very unwise. I must leave at least this amount to keep my Windows up and running. So I could add 9 or 8. 8 is easier for me. I could make this 2. And to do so, I must find the right Java. Program files, Java, GRE7, bin, and you see a lot of java.exes. It was a lot of experimenting in the past, but I figured out that you need this one. Okay, you save the crap and you run the server. Oopsie. Okay, turned out that the start.bat didn't work. Just didn't. I think I know why. Let's check it out. It's because of this. The comma. Semicon. It's this little glitch in the program that makes it a pain, a true pain, to do it right. So all we have to do is remove it. Ta-da! Generated a lot of errors because, well, all of this wasn't created. But now it is. It's all popping out. It's all being like, oh my god, I exist. It's alive. Okay, it's done building a server. Nice. And now, basically, you don't need to program anymore. You can now just do everything on your own. Okay, now we have got a server. We can just click this and we wait for it to start. Oh boy, I just hope it isn't invisible again. Probably. Yep, it is invisible. Something I really hate. But the server exists, it is real, it's official, it works. It's made. I'm typing stop. Should be stopping now. Should indeed. Okay, now you have seen how terrific the pre-configured start.bats work. Well, not. First a minor glitch with the semicolon and now this. There was an older version where it worked differently. Here, this is the new one we just used, and I collected some of those old ones, and they are using the M value. This one is using the newer G value. You will notice that the M value will not turn invisible. Let's copy this one to the tutorial. Call it start and hit it. See? It's not invisible anymore. If you're getting that error, already bound to port, look up for any process named Java. Here it is. Here is the server secretly running, being a troll. We're going to kill it. Now it's dead. Now we can properly start it. One that works right. Done. That's it. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Eat my shiny metal ass. This is good. Good. Now I'm happy. Okay, so well, that's how you make a server. Provided that you already port forwarded that shit. So I will make a tutorial on port forwarding another time. All the download links are in the description. I have even uploaded my Craftbukkit to help people out. So bye!